The bottom settling pond is getting hundreds of gallons a minute right now after about 5 inches of rain in Hurricane Irene, and there's no silt in it. It's totally clear water. Even though, I don't know, hundreds of thousands of gallons of water have landed on this landscape in the last 12 hours. We're not moving any soil whatsoever. It's pretty sweet. It's good for the land. This storm's good for this farm while it's washing out a lot of other farms and houses, infrastructure, bridges, roads. Here's the last swale coming in. Beautiful water, beautiful rainwater from the ocean. This is probably after, about better part of a mile of swales this water's already traveled through to get here, and it's been through, maybe a lot of it's been through at least 2 ponds, some of it's been through 3, some of it's been through 1, some of it's been through rice paddies, and all of it's been through swales.